Do you want to know how you can access a collection from your OnlyFans account? Then this video is the right one for you. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Quick Guide, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can access your collection from OnlyFans. To do so, first of all, go on to any browser that you're using and search for onlyfans.com and then log into your OnlyFans account. After you're logged into your OnlyFans account, you'll be on the home screen of OnlyFans. Now just go below and click on more. After that, you'll see an option for collections. If you click on collections, your all collections of fan, your following, even your restricted or even the blocked accounts will be right here. You can easily choose from all these options right here to see the active account, the expired one, even the restricted or even blocked ones. And that's how you can check your collection in OnlyFans account from your PC. And this was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment or review. And for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.